Alright, you ready, Raptor?
I'm ready. Raptor.
There you go.
Are you guys ready to ride, Raptor?
Yes, sir.
This is so many coasters, bro. Next time we need 2 days. We need 2 days to do this.
It's definitely a lot of coasters.
Roll one. I see you guys. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Especially with
Yes,
the
let's go at Boo. I heard a boo. Oh, okay. I'll take that. Yeah.
There we go.
You can enjoy your ride on Raptor. Oh my God.
Gatekeeper broke down. All 3 trains. They have a route.
This is so short compared to all other ones.
It's the Walmart.
You get like halfway down the top and ready to go. You get absolutely blinded when you go look up like that.
This was good.
That last part was kind of tough.
Yeah.
That last part was really good. What?
Damn, gatekeeper broke down.
You must have a loose neck. Look at that hitting me. What are you talking about? Hold your neck straight.
Oh, wow, Millennium Force again. I ain't gonna lie. Millennium Force was good.
It was good.
You guys going top 3 yet?
Twice.
Twice?
Yes, insane.
So Vengeance?
1 so far.
That's the best one in my opinion.
It is.
Vengeance.
Yeah, it is the best one.